What does the future hold for aerospace technology, and how will it shape global defense strategies? As we delve into the timeline of the development and expected deployment of the revolutionary KAAN warplanes, we'll explore the answers to these questions. In the realm of aerospace innovation, Turkey is making strides with the KAAN warplane project. Born from nearly 15 years of dedication and hard work, KAAN is set to redefine air combat as we know it. The initial flight of the KAAN warplane was recently accomplished, marking a significant milestone in its development. The first few years of the timeline see an escalation in the project's pace. The second KAAN warplane is expected to take to the skies in 2025, followed by the third in 2026. By 2029, the production rate is projected to increase to 2 aircraft per month. Leading up to the procurement of 250 KAAN stealth tactical warplanes between 2029 and 2040. The KAAN is not just another warplane, it's a game changer. It boasts encrypted data connections, enabling it to control drones flying in swarms. A highly advanced and indigenously developed sensor suite, including a new active electronically scanned array, ASA radar, and an integrated electro-optical system, IEOS, powers this technological marvel. These features, developed by Aselsan using the latest gallium nitride technology, are the product of the combined efforts of 13,000 engineers. The KAAN is designed to be superior to the F-22 warplane. While the F-22 excels in air-air combat, the KAAN is a multifaceted combatant, capable of both air-air and air-ground warfare. Some models even feature a hook landing style for aircraft carriers, showcasing the KAAN's versatility. The future of KAAN doesn't stop there. Plans are already in motion for a next-generation project, a flying ghost headquarters that can work in direct coordination with artificial intelligence, swarm drones, Side, and all elements of the Navy. As President Recep Tayyip Erdogan recently announced, the KAAN fighter aircraft is set to join the Air Force at the end of 2028. This marks a significant step towards Turkey's vision of leading the world in the defense industry and technology. In conclusion, the development of the KAAN warplanes is a testament to Turkey's commitment to advancing aerospace technology. The project, marked by its indigenously developed tech and the sheer number of engineers involved, is set to revolutionize air combat and shape global defense strategies. Despite challenges and embargoes, the successful first flight of the KAAN warplane demonstrates the nation's determination to reach new heights in the defense industry. The future of aerospace technology is here, and it's called KAAN.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.